Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Walmart in their tools and hardware section, going to review some of these products here. Now this is at a super Walmart, and the Hart brand and the Hyper Tough brand are their main tool brands. So Hart, let me know if you'd compare it to like a Hercules or Craftsman. Just let me know in the comments. So first up, this is a 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries at $68. I think these were $98. So these are going to last 25% longer. They have an onboard fuel gauge and work with all 20-volt products. So a pretty deep cut here, 30 bucks off. These are rollback prices and clearance prices in this video. Now this is a pack of 4 amp hour batteries. It's $99. It was $148. So you're almost saving 50 bucks on this deal with Hart. Now for $69, this is a 20-volt battery and charger kit for $69. And then all their Hart wet dry vacs were on clearance. So $58 for this 6-gallon one. It was $65. And these do come with the whole kits, the locking accessories, the foam filter, cartridge filter, crevice tools, and the super long hose. For $53, this is an 8-gallon. It was $79. Same brand. This is the Hart brand. And they're saying the floor models are non-operable. I guess they're worried about people stealing them maybe. And that one is cheaper than the 6-gallon. So that's something to keep in mind. Now next up, they had this one for $59. This is going to be the 10-gallon Hart wet dry vac. It was $84. So some deeper savings on this one. I kind of like the look of these ones better than the bright silver ones. They just look a little bit less tacky to me for some reason. But they also had this one for $83, was $119. This is a 16-gallon, so a super large wet dry vac here. And these all have wheels, I believe, of course. And for 16 bucks, this is an interesting idea. I actually have never bought one of these. This is a clearance item. It's their Hyper Tough bucket converter. So for this, all you need is a 5-gallon bucket from wherever, Lowe's, Home Depot. And it's 2 peak horsepower. You just clamp it onto the top of that and it turns the bucket into a wet dry vac. It comes with a 6.5-foot power cord. Basically, you just need the bucket, and this top comes with the hose, the whole kit, and it has a 1-year warranty. So everything you need. That's a pretty unique idea. I don't know why I have not heard of this until now. Maybe I've just been kind of under a rock, and it says bucket not included, obviously. Otherwise, it would basically be a wet dry vac. Now guys, go ahead and leave a like and a comment on this video. Let me know if there's anything that you've picked up or may want to pick up going to Walmart. They did have some interesting clearance deals, and I was surprised on some of the items. Now for $199 is this 10-inch Shopmaster miter saw. This one looked pretty interesting. It looked like almost the Hyper Tough brand, not the Hyper Tough, the Hart brand with the blue colors, but I guess it wasn't. This one is the Skill brand for $189. I think this is a 10-inch miter saw as well. Now for $23.84, this was $27, is this 600 lumen LED work light. Now this is from Hart. This is great for mechanics because it does have the magnetic backing to it as well as a hook, so you can hang it up under the hood or attach it to a metal piece under the hood. Now this is the hybrid sight light. It's a 20-volt light for $49.83 at their new price. So you can use either a battery or a cord with this, which is nice. This is a sight light. It's high visibility, 1800 lumens. That's pretty bright. And then directional lighting, you can obviously move this along the axis here, up, down, and then hang it if you need to do that from the little hook apparatus at the top. But pretty decent price at $49. They did have some Hyper Tough lights, but I did not see sales on those. Now there were some rollback deals on their shelves. This is 10 bucks off at $59 on this 5-tier rack. It's from Hyper Tough. I think it can hold 350 pounds. No tools required for assembly. Adjustable shelves. This would be nice in like a garage or even a pantry. I could see this working in a pantry if you have a lot of items and you have a pantry that can carry this. And really, all their shelving prices were on rollback at least. This one's $46 on this black 5-tier shelf. It's 18 by 36 inches, can hold up to 750 pounds. Has the ventilated shelves, of course. And I would just pick the one behind this just because this one has some little white scuff marks on it. Now for $39, you're going to get this 4-tier shelf from Hart. Although I would pick the one behind this because this one's a little bent, but this is a 36 by 18 by 53, can hold up to 150 pounds per shelf, which is pretty nice. And again, just pick the one behind it because I don't know what happened to this one. But they did have a lot of these ones in stock, and that's a pretty good price. Now this is a clearance deal on 105 for this 5,500 pound electric winch. This is a closer up view of it here. It's got 1.5 permanent horsepower with the electric motor. It comes with this whole kit, it looks like. So this is a pretty decent deal on this one. Now for 35, you're getting a good deal. It was 59 on this 2,500 pound electric winch. And this is from HyperTough, and 1.1 horsepower with their permanent magnetic mower, 50 feet of aircraft grade galvanized rope, and a 1-year warranty. Now for Hart, this is 157 on this 8-gallon quiet air compressor. Although if this was the only box left, I think you could probably get about 40 to 50 bucks off just because of the damaged box. But they did have a few more boxes, so they would probably just tell you to go get one of the other boxes, I would assume, and I would hope. But next is this vacuum set here. Now the vacuums did have some clearance prices on them in Rollback, so I always check the vacuums as well as the tools, because this one was $198 for this pet vacuum. I think it was $248. So some pretty good deals on like carpet cleaners, vacuums. This is the little green. It's $87.94. Now this one in the picture is not the little green. It was the one next to it, but I realized that afterwards. So that's the 3-in-1 turbo vac here. Other deals that you see are like coffee makers. Sometimes they'll do rollbacks on those, but I didn't see anyone this trip. Now for 111, this is going to be the spot clean. It was 124. Decent savings on that one, but not 100% impressed with that. But I think the better deal is going to be on these higher priced vacuums. You can sometimes get 50 to 100 bucks off. This is going to be $5 off on this air purifier for $34. It was $39. And now look at this, guys. This is a Blackstone 36-inch grill with hood. This is going to be $297, and you're saving 100 bucks on this. I'll show you in a second. It has 4 different heating zones, as well as I think one on the side. So you're saving $99.25. You're only paying $297 for this. This is a really good deal, and I'm not really sure why the dip in the price. I mean, this box looks kind of beat up, but the other one was okay. Maybe they're just trying to clear them out. Now, walking outside, they didn't have a ton of items outside, but they did have this one rock spotlight. It was $12.97. This was a clearance item here. They did have a few of these, so if you want to light up your yard, make it look more natural with these little rocks. Now check this out, guys. This is a Hart 18-inch side discharge push mower kit. You're only paying $104 for this. You're saving $142. Now again, with these mowers, the box is open. I would take this to the counter. I think this is a great deal, but you're going to want to ask, why is it clearanced? Is it a return? Does it work? And that's what I would want to know on these. You get a 6-amp-hour battery, comes with a charger. Again, a really good price on this. You're saving more than you're paying for it. And this is kind of a medium level battery powered vac. So it's 2-in-1, quick, easy storage. Now from Savannah is this wood pellet grill cover from Pit Boss. Only paying $27.50 for it. It was almost half of that, or it was $55. So another good deal. They did have a lot of blower and vac combos, but those weren't on clearance yet. Now this is a HyperTough 12-inch trimmer for $58. You're saving $10 on this. Does come with a warranty. And then from HR is this 40-volt, $158 cordless system where you get the 2 tools, the 12-inch string trimmer and the blower. The blower is 450 CFMs. It comes with some wire, a 4-amp-hour battery and charger. And then you get the 5-year warranty and the 3-year on the battery, I believe. So a pretty decent deal on this one. May come down a little bit more, but we'll see. Now this is the clearance section. I always ask you to check the clearance section because look at this. Over on the right, even though these are higher priced items, this is a Hart 3000 PSI electric pressure washer. It's got the heavy duty cleaning ability, and look at the price here, $224. It was $374. So some really good savings on these if you're in the market for one. It's got the brushless motor, comes with the whole kit, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. Of course, with these, again, check the box, make sure they're not returned and broken. But if the box is just messed up, I have no problems with that. I don't need a fancy box. Now, it comes with all this, the trigger handle, the nozzle, the different heads, and then everything you really need. I think it comes with a little thing of oil as well. Now from HyperTough, this is only $46.08. It's a 9-amp, 14-inch chainsaw. You're saving $17. I want to say that's $92. But this comes with the warranty as well. And I think on the clearance item, double check me, guys. Let me know in the comments. They should still have the warranty as long as you're buying them from Walmart, even though they're clearance. You should be getting that warranty with it as well. So that should be some extra protection, but double check me, guys. They did have a lot of these clearance blankets and fleece throws, and this is even a heated blanket. That one's $27. I think they had some pillow covers, some other bedroom items. This is an LED chase light, so if you have a Jeep or an off-road vehicle, you can put this on, and it's $41. And I think it's a set as well, so you get more than one in there. Now look back here. This is a Bionic 6-panel light. It's 3,000 lumens. This just screws into the light socket. You don't have to do any wiring or anything like that. And this is going to light up your garage or house like 3 to 4x based on what it was before. Now, looking just down through the aisle, there are a lot of other items which are not tools, but you can always check. They usually have gloves around wintertime, and these are on sale as well for $1.50. These 24-inch snow brush bristles. These might be good to pick up for the winter or pick one up for someone else that may need it.